Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to take this trade on EURGBP. So I'm going to be using a backtesting tool to show you how I was able to take this trade of a risk reward of 1 to 3. So I use traders cursor for backtesting. As you can see, price gave us a break of structure here. Then this was a trade before, and as you can see, it also hit my take profit. Yeah, using this same strategy I'm going to show you. After this break of structure, I had to mark this lower order block, or you can call it a demand, and I had to wait for price to come and mitigate that point. So I had to place my buy limit on that order block here. I usually use an instant execution. I press a buy limit and wait for price to mitigate my order block. Then I wait for it to go to my direction as planned. So as you can see, this was liquidity. This is liquidity here, trying to trigger the early buyers to enter into the market. So I had to wait for liquidity to be taken out. As you can see, price took some good time before mitigating my order block, but finally it had to come and mitigate it, then run straight to take profit. Yeah, let's be patient and wait. Add on the speed. So as you can see, price took a long time here before mitigating my order block, my order block was here, right here. So price took a bit long before mitigating it. All this was liquidity, as you can see. All this was liquidity here to trigger the early buyers to enter the market. That was liquidity. Then I waited for price here on the extreme order block here. So let me first extend my order block. My order block is there. My trade entry is still there. So I waited for price to go up. Wait. My SL was a bit lower. It was here, yeah. So as you can see, price had to play around, but finally it hit my take profit. Yeah, as you can see here, it finally hit my take profit after mitigating that order block. I'm using a free backtesting tool called Traders Cursor. You can check it out also. Thank you. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I will continue providing such content for those who are interested in learning forex trading. Yeah, my trade hit TP. So this free backtesting tool is refusing to play the charts, but it hit TP eventually, as you can see on trading view here. So this was a trade of a 1:3 risk to reward, risking 16 pips to get 40 something pips. Yeah, almost 50 pips by the way. So this was a very good trade, and I usually I trade using SMC, whereby let me show you how what I usually wait for. If it is an uptrend, I usually wait for price to clear this liquidity that is always here. This first pullback is usually liquidity, so I usually wait for price to come back to the extreme order block. Yeah, then I take my trades here, as you can see on this trade that I have shown to you. Yeah, targeting this high, this order block, using this order block, and I trade 1 to 3 risk to reward. Thank you. Consider subscribing, share this video, and like.